You know, one thing when you even read the comments under your video, one name that keeps coming up time and time and time and time again, Blak Ryno. All right. Is Blak Ryno your inspiration, or how do you feel when people always continue to compare you to Blak Ryno?
I don't know, boy. You see, I myself just try to listen and hear it, bro, but I don't know. I don't know what they hear anyway. If he probably play, he could play a role in my craft subconsciously. Because if it's one thing, Vybz Kartel influence my music a lot. Vybz Kartel, Movado, right? Especially in the dancehall, because I said before, I used to is hip hop and whatever. Now these music is what everybody else will play. So like my father, my uncle, my big cousin, them time is Gaza Gully. You know, I'm more favor Vybz Kartel style of music.
Yeah.
How he bring across his music at that point in time, you know, and Movado same way. It have certain songs but are more that favor Vybz Kartel style how he bring it across now, boy. You know, and that comes same way it have popcorn on it. It have Blak Ryno, it have Ja Vinci. You understand? It have Dunya, it have fucking this one name. Oh God, boy. Yeah, boy, it's a whole team.
Enough of them.
Yeah, it's a whole team. It's a whole team and some bad artists.
Sean Storm, all of them.
So Sean Storm, everybody, dog, is a whole team, boy. So that is where it is. I really kind of pull my craft from. I wouldn't particularly say I was is a fan of Blak Ryno. Or yeah, he had bad music. I love his music as a fan of his music for sure. But I wouldn't say he was like a, you know, like there are some artists who had this particular artist. And like, yeah, I like his style, and you can hear it. That is not me, particularly for sure. My style unique in a sense. I just play it in my own way and my feel. With the Blak Ryno, I don't know. I don't hear it. I just try to listen for it. But you know, if
But
it's
you've
that
heard people say it a lot,
always, a lot, always, bro. I don't know. I don't know, bro.
Okay, to me, the first place where I kind of say, okay, I can understand what people are saying.
Yeah.
When you did the From the Block freestyle in Jamaica, the ha ha ha.
Yeah.
I said, okay, I could understand on
See, yeah.
that style there why people would say that on that one in particular.
All right. I don't know. I don't know that way. But what it is like is the pattern. How it's like the kind of skippy pattern, or
It's
the fast kind of.
It's one of those things where it's hard to explain,
Yeah.
but once you hear it, you'll know it. Once you see it, you'll know it.
Well, then me and the dog gotta do a song then, and let we hear this thing because we gotta do something on the same rhythm, and let we see. I wanna see this. Let we see if my vocal song like you, or if I song, you know, if the merge makes sense. Let me see.
Yeah.
And that gonna be the people there because I can't hear it. You know?
They're always talking, say Blak Ryno, Blak Ryno, Blak
Yeah.
Ryno. You understand? Even somebody you linked with early in your career too, this man is instrumental when it comes to TriniBad. Puns, DJ
Yeah.
Puns.
Yeah.
How did you link up with Puns now too?
No, well, Pun same way. Pun Lakas is really the man. So as I say, Lakas is the man who knew everybody when it comes to the music industry. Cause he been around it for years now, boy. He actually did Ganja Cowboy, you know, Malanasha.
Yes, man.
Alright, so Lakas did that beat.
Okay, it was him.
Yeah, Lakas did that beat. It even had a beat way back way. You know, it had a little problems with that beat. I think it was what was this artist name, boy? From Jamaica, boy. Was by Merital. Is Merital in
Merital from Montego Bay.
Yeah, is Merital, boy?
Merital's a group with three
On
of
the
them.
swing bongs for them. Someone in them Jamaican artists, I can't remember the name exactly, but it's a bit, it had a little problems in it with thing and producer and whoever and next man thing. But yeah, Lakas is a man, he knew the people and them, because I young, me already know. So Lakas was the man who put that connection with Pun and make everything happen there. Yeah, bring Pun on board, and Pun was kind of one of the major players in pushing it also, die. Yeah.
Pun and even man like Johnny Bravo.
Johnny
When you
and
talk
everything.
about TriniBad,
Yeah.
Puns as a DJ,
Yeah, can't forget.
Johnny Bravo, you see him as the bodyguard, but behind the scenes, Bravo does a lot too.
Yeah, on the ground for sure. That the ground, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pon and Bravo, two main figures for sure, 100% in the TriniBad. Yeah, facts. Can't forget them. Can't left them out, man.
Click here to watch the full episode and don't forget to subscribe.